this is Arlene. So I'm on my way to work right now, coming back from lunch. But I bought a new holder for my cell phone. And, well, sometime while I was away from my desk, somebody went and tried to take it apart. And this happened at work because I just took it out of the package last night and I made a video about it. And so somebody went into my desk. I know somebody has a key. Someone can always go in your desk and all that stuff. But the thing is that I had it in a locked drawer. So in order for that to happen, somebody either picked my lock or has a key. But somebody did something and tried to break it. So the next time it happens, I'm gonna file a report. Now, I already paid for it, so I shouldn't have to. Oh, that's kind of big now. So in order for someone to go in my desk, they have to be a county employee, because this happened in the morning. So it wouldn't be a vendor, wouldn't be security. It would definitely have to be a county employee that did this. Most definitely had to be a county employee. And so that is what happened to me. And this actually happened at work in the morning. It's not something that happened over the weekend. So whoever did it was definitely a county employee and works in my building. So this is what happened right here. This is what they did. This came out. This was fully intact. Fully intact. So it keeps coming out. So somebody went in and did that, because it should look like this side, nice and smooth. And I just opened it last night. So I probably should get it rekeyed. I'm thinking I'm going to do that. Because I just opened it last night. So this is where I work. This is Public Works. I'm in the annex. I work on the 3rd floor. You have to go through security to get in. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to. So whoever is going into my drawer has a key. So it's either somebody that works in environmental programs or in that part of the building, someone that comes from ITD, somebody from custodial. I don't think for security, because they don't come up on that floor. So it has to be a county employee, because you have to go through with a badge. And if you don't have your badge, then what happens is you get a special badge. So somebody did something to my car. To my phone mount. So I'm making this video now. It's pretty much in, but it's gonna come out because whoever did it, they had to have used something to, let's see, they had to have used something to bend it. As you'll see right there, it's bent. So they had to have come in probably in that area and done something. See how it's bent there? So those areas are bent right here and right here. Now if you look on this side in the sun, it's nice and smooth. There's nothing. So somebody did something to it to pop it out. And I just purchased it.